Oakley, come here. Come here.
It's not a jacuzzi. Come on out.
What's wrong? Are you sad? Did you get it?
Yeah.
That's why I trust you, Mommy.
No one can connect you with high quality harmony. That's why every 14 minutes, someone